Last week, we brought on a shop from El Paso, Texas, and these guys were paying $700 a month for a company to do their website and social media. And their website looked fine, but nothing worth $700, and their social media was included. And the reason they do that is if you go to this shop's Facebook page, you see that the social media marketing that they were doing for this shop was actually just reposting blog links to sites like State Farm or mymechanicpro.com or Michelin Tires, but there was nothing that actually promoted that specific shop. With ASC, you get custom videos with your logo, your phone number, your address. We upload them to your Google business page. We share them with all your followers, and we have a free trial right now for 30 days. It's absolutely free, no cost. Just try us out and see the difference for yourself. The shop in El Paso saved $500 a month just by switching to ASC. And in my opinion, they got a much better website, and their Facebook marketing has never looked better. So if you go to your website and you're not too happy with it, or you take a look at your Facebook page and you see links to the Olive Garden or AutoZone, just know that there's better options out there. And with ASC, you can try us for 30 days, absolutely free, no gimmicks, no contracts, just a great service that we hope you'll want to continue. If you have any questions, go to our website, email us, or call us today.